This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the bonnet slightly, depress the release catch, then fully open the bonnet. Unclip the support strut from the front panel and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. The fuel filter is located at the left-hand side of the engine compartment, in front of the battery. To gain access to the filter, turn the plastic retainer half a turn, disengage the locating tabs, and lift off the cover over the battery. At the top of the filter unit, pull off the retaining clip and lift out the fuel control valve, leaving the fuel hoses attached. Slacken the hose clips and pull the fuel supply and return hoses from the ports on the top of the filter unit. If crimp-type clips are fitted, cut them off using snips and use equivalent size worm drive clips on refitting. Note the fitted position of each hose to aid correct refitting later. Push the filter up from below and lift it from its location. Fill the new filter with clean diesel fuel, then push it back into position in the engine compartment. Remove the sealing plugs from the new filter, then reconnect the fuel supply and return hoses and securely tighten the clips. Refit the control valve to the top of the filter and insert the retaining clip. Start and run the engine at idle, then check around the fuel filter for fuel leaks. It may take a few seconds of cranking before the engine starts. Raise the engine speed to about 2000 rpm several times, then allow the engine to idle again. Observe the fuel flow through the transparent hose leading to the fuel injection pump and check it's free of air bubbles. Maneuver the battery cover into place and rotate the fastener 90 degrees to secure it. Disengage the support strut from the bonnet underside and clip it back into place on the front panel. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.